How to switch Gemini to Google Assistant. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to switch from Gemini to Google Assistant on your device. Whether you are curious about Google Assistant's features or just looking to make a quick switch, I have got you covered. So let's dive in. First, open your setting application. Scroll down and find the option labeled Apps or Application depending on your device. Then tap Default Apps or Assistant and Voice Input. Then choose the Assistant app option and select Google Assistant from the list. And that's it. You have successfully switched from Gemini to Google Assistant. So why you want to make the switch? Well, Google Assistant comes with powerful features like smart home integration, real-time transaction, real-time translations, and personalized updates based on your Google account. And that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.